dear students, let's start next lesson by the discipline Ecology of Plants and Animals and Biogeography. The theme of today's lecture is soil as ecological factor. The plan of our lecture is general characteristics of soil factor, soil organic matter, and the last plan is influences of chemical elements on plant growth and development. The purpose of today's lecture is to form students' knowledge about influences of chemical elements on plant growth and the development. As we know, soil is the only component of landscape that arises as a result of the interaction of all its other components. They are, for example, rocks, climate, natural waters, vegetation, microorganisms, and animals. The soil is the first and necessary factors for the growing and life of the plant. The soil forms are single system with population of different organisms inhabiting it. Soils and plants form a single system of closely interconnected components. We have soil take part as gaseous, liquid, and solid and living organisms. So, soil air is necessary for roots to breathe, and other nutrition components as chemical components. They are is necessary for the nutrient for plants and other maybe microorganisms, and the liquid part of soil is necessary to the plant growing. So it's very important and a very necessary factor to the growing of plants. It's the soil. The diverse properties of soil determine the water, air, thermal, and salt regimes of plants. In this slide, you can see the most significant soil properties for plants. They are, first is mechanical composition, or we can say granulometric. And the next is organic matter, forms of soil water, soil air, soil colloids, and the chemistry of soil solution. Chemistry components, elements of in soil solution. All these are the significant soil properties for plants. Soil organic matters is one of the most important environmental factors. In nature, there is a well-defined association of plants with the soil fertility. So there are three main groups of plants according to their need for soil components. Its first is allotrophs. You can see in this picture the types of including to the allotrophs plants. Allotrophs, they are plants confined to pure soil. They can live in the pure soil. So in this group they are included such as Carex pauciflora, Marsh rosemary, heather, and Mars blueberry, and other types of plants. The next ecological groups is named mesotrophic plants. Mesotrophic plants are that grow in medium fertilized soil. They can live in the medium chemical component types of soil. This group included, you can see in this picture, includes the common flowers, valley, double-leaved mauiflower, and other types of plants. Next ecological groups of plants is megatrophs. Megatrophs, they are plants that require the high fertile soils, so they need a lot of chemical elements in soil and the fertilizing soil. So in this picture you can see the types of these plants. Examples can be Pyrenees, sages, or Humulus lupulus hops, as you see. So next types of these groups of ecological groups of plants is mosses and leashes. You can see in this picture mosses and leashes, they include into the plant, but they don't have soil, fertilizing soil for their growing. They can growing in the pure soil or other lands everywhere. Everywhere they can live and growing to the environment. So we can see they are in the Antarctic, in the tundra, in the taiga. So they can live everywhere. So dear students, I think it's enough for today. See you at the next lesson. Thank you.